Garden Soap Co. Today we're going to be making a soap that is inspired by Lisa Frank. I don't know if you guys remember that from the 90s. And she always had colorful, like a whole bunch of colorful animals and bright colors. So today I'm going to be doing a soap inspired by her. So I have my oils and I have my coconut milk in here. And then I have my lye right here. And my oils and my lye are just about the same temperature. They're within 10 degrees of each other. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix them together. Whoa! And I'm not going to stick blend it any further because I don't want it to trace really fast because I want to do layers. Okay, now that everything's emulsified, I'm going to weigh it out so I can pour it into the mold. Whoa! Okay, now we have all of our soap weighed out, and we're going to start putting our coloring in and mixing it in the mold. The first color is Firecracker Mica from Nurture Soap. And the fragrance is a mix of two different kind of fragrances from Nurture Soap. And I'm just gonna mix it in. Whoa! And I'm going to pour a little bit of the fragrance in. It smells really good. And I see it's just coloring it a little bit. I didn't know that was going to happen, but oh well. Here's the finished soap. It is 5 layers, and I'll be back to unmold it tomorrow. Okay guys, we're back. It's 12 hours later after I've already made this soap, and the lines are kind of, you know, they're kind of janky. It's kind of better on this side a little bit, but whatever, we're just gonna keep going with it. And so I'm going to cut it, or I'm gonna try to cut it. Oops, I hit the light. So my boyfriend, he made a some type of little device so I could try to cut the soap. It's this device. It's not dirty, it's just this color. So I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna try to cut it. And I got this from Royalty Soaps, Katie. I saw her do this, so I'm gonna try to do it. Okay, so now we're back and we have our 2 halves. Here's one half and here's another half. I think the colors are kind of really pretty. See that? Oh my god, you guys. I think that's really pretty. Okay. So I'm gonna wrap one up in some like freezer wrap or something like that, and then I'm gonna get started. Okay guys, we're back, and I have my my oils, butters, and coconut milk, and then I have my lye because I'm going to be making the other side of that soap. And I'm also going to be, I made some little soap balls that I have of a soap that I had, and it just didn't turn out as pretty as I wanted it to, so I balled it up and then I rolled it around in some mica. They're not the prettiest, but they're what I have. And then I have a fragrance that I also mixed up. It's a mix of 2 Nurture Soap fragrances, so hopefully it doesn't discolor my soap. Yesterday when I was making the soap that I just split in half, it kind of discolored it when I was mixing it in, so I don't know what it's going to do when it cures. But I'm going to make this soap white. I'm going to use titanium dioxide and put the little soap balls in. So here we go, we're going to get started. Alright guys, we've got this pretty much mixed up and emulsified. And I'm going to do like what am I gonna do? I wanted to do like a black and white swirl, like a marble look, like how Katie's was, because Lisa Frank used to have like a lot of zebra stuff and different animals. But I don't know how it's gonna look with my little soap balls that I made, and they're actually getting mica all over each other. But I don't know what I want to do. Okay, you know what? I think I'm just gonna leave it all white and just add the titanium dioxide in, and it's already gonna thicken it up pretty much because it's pretty much thick right now. I know that titanium dioxide from Nurture Soap. Alright, it's about as mixed up as it's gonna get. Now I need to add the fragrance, which is probably gonna discolor it a little bit. Little fragrance oil. Smells champagne-y. Oh, I didn't do any weird colors, but it might make it a celery. I have no clue. I've never mixed these together. And I've never used it with this recipe. And I have a lot of hard oils and butters in here because my first soap, it got hard in like less than 12 hours. I was able to unmold it. All right. Now we're gonna get our soap. Okay. Now I have my little soap balls that I'm gonna be adding to them. Just, I guess, randomly. I've never done this before. Okay guys, I've got it all leveled out. It was kind of messed up because one of my little soap embeds was too big and I probably should have pushed it down. So here you go. Here's the soap and I will be back whenever it is solidified and I can unmold it and cut it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Hi guys. Okay, we're back for the cutting and here's the soap. And now I'm just gonna cut the end pieces off. It looks so pretty. I didn't know what the soap balls were gonna look like because it was just made out of a soap that I didn't like. That was purple, pink, and white. And so I just balled them up and yeah. It's exactly what it turned out to look like. It looks so pretty. I've never done anything like this before, so it's just a practice go. But I like it. I like it a lot, actually. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish cutting them. And just thank you guys for watching. And I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye guys. Whoa.